Hello lovelies, good evening and welcome back to my channel. I am starting a weekend vlog at uh 8:16 p.m. I don't know if you can see, it's 8, okay, it's 8:17 right now. Light is bouncing back, so it's 8:17 and I'm starting this my weekend vlog. It's been long I did a weekend vlog, so why not? Behind me I have some laundries I just brought in. I washed during the day today, so I'm just going to fold this and put them into the wardrobe. And ignore that thing that you're looking at. That's my box and that's the case of my phone. And yeah, I'll be taking you along with me in all the things I get to do during the week and during the weekend. And I have a lot to do right now. I have to arrange this room because tomorrow I have a lot ahead of me. My students is coming. I have bantu cakes to decorate. I have my students to train, and it's a lot. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So this is about 20 minutes away from the first clip you saw, and now I want to have a taste of my yummy cake parfait. If you've not patronized me, what are you waiting for? I sell amazing cakes in Lagos. If you're in Lagos and you need cake, contact your girl. So don't crucify me. Na fat, I no keep person. So I am allowed to take 2 spoons in the morning, 2 spoons in the afternoon, 2 spoons at night. That's how I take my parfait, as doctor's prescription. So don't come for my head, Biko, okay? So if you are yet to patronize me, what are you waiting for? See, just see the lushness. See, the light is not doing justice. Just see, red velvet and whipped cream. Oh. So I just take 2 spoons, and after that, I return the remaining to the fridge. So that's why I take it for as long as it lasts. I've been taking this since 2 days. So this is where I am right now. So just see, patronize me, patronize me, okay? I make the best cakes in Lagos. Believe it, no capping, no capping. If you want to see more of my rules, follow me on Instagram. I'll drop my Instagram link somewhere in the description box. Follow me and see what I am doing, what I am capable of doing, what I am capable of doing with my hands when it comes to cake and anything that has to do with food events. Consider it done when it comes to me. So let's have a taste of this yumminess together. Are you feeling it? Oh goodness. This is the second spoon now. After that, I return it back to where I took it from. So don't let me bore you. Just enjoy this vlog with me. Subscribe to my channel. And I have small gist to gist with you guys in this vlog. This is the second spoon. This is just how I take the scoop. So I don't take much. I take less than 20 calories is all these things I'm taking. So now fat are fat. I no keep this. Okay? It's banging. It's close. So back to the freezer wardrobe, and I want to quickly sweep, arrange the room. Let me know that is out of what I'm going to do for the weekend. Then I'll change their bed sheets. I sleep with my youngest daughter, so my baby sleeps under. Then I heard her sister sleeps on top. So I want to quickly sweep. After that, if I can mop, I'll mop. If I cannot, I'll postpone that to tomorrow. Then see where I work if I'm at home. The place is in a mess because I worked at home yesterday night. Stroke this morning. Let me show you. So this is the station where I work if I work from home. If I work at night. So I have my mixing bowl here. I have my turntable, the gallon of oil I use if I'm working with oil-based recipe, my scale, and this is the container I put my rice, my children's frame. So I'm just going to quickly arrange this piece, put this ones back to where they're supposed to be. I worked overnight. This is my vinegar. So yeah, just quickly I'm going to arrange this. How are you guys coping in Lagos State? Today is 17th of February and Lagos was on fire earlier today. I had to rush to go and pick my kids in school. I don't know how the forthcoming election is going to look like. Seriously, I don't know. I don't know, because there was serious unrest. There was fight at Agege. There was one at Abulegba Access, because I live close to those areas. There was one at Ikorodu. There was one at Ojota. In fact, the one of Agege that I know about, they actually set a POS attendant on fire because he added extra charge. I don't know how true it is, but I saw the video, and yo, let me see if I can bring out the video for you guys to see. I saw the video and I was actually scared. For real, I was scared. And I'm like, in a country that has Oba, that has Ijoyi, if you don't understand what I mean, that a country that has king and has chiefs, I mean our president and his subordinates, and things are going out of hand like this, what is the hope for the next election safe? Because somebody, like, if you see the panic today in schools, I went to pick my children at 11 a.m. There were parents that were running helter skelter looking for means to go pick their kids up, and I learned it's not from this area alone. It happened like that in all area of Lagos State, and I'm like, if it's like this few days before election, I'm trying to look for the video so I can show you guys little clip or so, but if I can't find it, you'll see it online. It's everywhere online. And the boy was set ablaze, and he was even running with the fire. And I'm like, why? We don't have to go this barbaric because we want to express ourselves. Fine, I understand that they pushed us to the brim, because I was at the bank last week and I in fact I saw Pepe. It was a tug of war. But fam, seriously, a lot is happening, and in the midst of all this crisis, my heart goes out to everybody. Please let us stay calm, let us stay safe. If there are places you want to go and they are not important, I take God beg you, John to your Lord, stay at home. It is not compulsory for you to go out. If it's not compulsory for you to go out, please stay indoors. Outside is no longer safe, because seeing the way things are going, election day, I'll sleep at home, because few days to election and there's war. How is the election going to be? I don't pray for any calamity. I don't pray for any casualties. I don't pray for anything. But with the way things are going, people are angry. There's no money. There's no food. There are some families that they cannot eat. I have a neighbor that says across our area, and she was telling me today that they practically slept on an empty stomach last night. And I'm like, you have your money in your account, but you cannot even withdraw. Now I learned to withdraw 1,000 naira in my area, you have to pass away with 300 naira. So if I want to withdraw 5,000 naira, I'll have to give POS attendant 1,500. Why? I don't know how to paint it, even if it's their fault or not. But seriously, it's not making brain. It's not bringing out sense. It's not just giving what you should give. It's not making us feel happy. Now you want to even go to the bank. Yesterday I learned Zenith Bank paid over the counter, but they did not even pay more than 10,000 naira. And I'm like, what will 10,000 naira do? Few days to election. Some people want to stock up their house. Some people want to go to the market to buy food stuff. Some people want to eat for that day. 10,000 naira is not even enough for some families to eat for 2 days, and you are giving them 10,000 naira. Even before they enter the banking hall, they go sweat. See, I've ranted for 4 minutes over this issue. I don't want it to weigh me down. And so I want to pour my rice into the container. I used to pour it. I have my rice staring at me right now. I want to pour it in the container. But I used to share food items. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, you can hear me. I'm saying it here. I do food sharing. So I share bag of rice, bag of beans, bag of onions. Sorry, I'm looking at this place instead of this place. So I share a lot of things. I go to the market for people. I buy pepper. We share pepper. I think I have discovered that this is the best way to go in Nigeria. Buy things in bulk. See, if you have 3,000 naira, you can as well buy in bulk. Go to the market, buy pepper in bulk. If you buy pepper of 3,000 naira, if you are not a very large family, it will last you for like 2-3 weeks. And I think that is just best. If you can also hear noise of background, na Nigeria day, please pardon it. We practically provide everything for ourselves. All basic amenities, we practically provide it for ourselves, lights, water, internet, everything. Right now I am on gen. I have a light in front of me. I have my ring light working, and I don't know, but I have a feeling that you might be hearing the bzzz of the generator sound. So don't let me bore you too much. I spent 5 minutes. Don't let me bore you too much. So let me go and pour my rice, get my kids ready for bed. I want to fold the laundry, arrange their beds, and I'll show you when I'm done with that. Okay? So this is my container here, and this is the rice I want to pour. So just want to pour that while we continue our talk. So I'm done laying the bed. So yeah, I'm done. And here they have their nightwear. This is for Jai, this is for Jai the Solar. And yeah, so this is what I'll be putting on to bed. This is what I'll be wearing to sleep. Yeah, so this is where I am right now. I am done. Yeah, and this is the shelf where I'm working. That cleared as well. And this is the disadvantage of buying drinks from the shopping mall, where you can buy it with the bottle. See, I have multiple bottles up and down in the house, but that's the only drink I buy. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Hello guys, good morning. I just woke up and it's currently 10:20. I slept very late. I slept very late. So I just woke up and I'm going to the kitchen now to look for what my kids will eat. And today's 18. And Harmattan in Lagos State. I don't know how Harmattan find its way back into February. Go easy. So I plan on doing a video today, tutorial video, but I'll be speaking Yoruba also. You would get to see the video probably after this vlog goes up or before this, whichever way. But I plan doing that, then let's see how it goes. I was speaking Yoruba throughout the vlog, throughout the tutorial process, and there is a most asked recipe on my channel, a bantu cake decoration. So I'll be doing that this morning, and I'll be speaking Yoruba. Anticipate that video. It's going to be a fun one though. So this is what I wear to go to bed. I cannot show you below this. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just going to arrange the bed now, then start my day.
Bounce with the